So now we've got our background. What we're going to do is get a sprite from the library. I think under transportation there's a helicopter. So I'm going to choose the helicopter. And I actually want to get a few helicopters, so I'm going to duplicate it a couple of times. A few times. On this first helicopter, I'm going to create some movement. I'll just hide these ones. So I know which one. See, it's hard to know which one is the helicopter. Okay, so this is the first helicopter. You could number them. Anyway, I'm going to program it that it goes up and down with the keys. You could use when space bars click to go up and all that stuff. But I'm just going to use my up and down, my normal up and down and side to side movement. Actually, I'll just make it up and side to side. Make it go to there to start, and if clicking the key, I need an left, right, and an up. I'm going to do down. I use gravity for down, so I'm making up, left and right. Yep, and now I need right, left, negative, and I need an up. There we go. Now gravity is same as gravity on the last one. It's if you're not touching the grass color, fall. So I'm just going to quickly code that. If you can't remember, just watch the gravity one. Okay, so now I have a helicopter that goes up, down, left, and right. So if I click the green flag, it goes up and down, and it's floating down to the ground because of gravity, and it goes should go left and right. I need a right one. There you go. Up and down, left and right. There we go. Okay. Now this is a sprite that is not animated. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the costume, and so you understand this is the non-animated sprite. So let's change the costume of our helicopter. And this is our non-animated helicopter. Okay, so now I'm going to drag all that script onto my second helicopter, and I'm going to put programming on this one. And this is going to be my animated one. So let's hide that one so I don't make a mistake. Now this one, we're going to program to go to a different position. So let's go to there. I use the same keys to control it, but I'm going to drag this script. Sorry, I'm going to drag this script onto the third helicopter. So it's in the same place. And on this one, I'm going to rub out everything. Okay, so this was exactly the same sprite. Now, if I programmed this one to go basically to the same position, but put a forever loop and a go to, helicopter 2 forever, it should go to where the helicopter blades are on this sprite. So on this sprite, we're going to rub out the helicopter blades. I'm doing this as fast as I can, so this is not going to be that good. Okay, so we've got helicopter blades on this one, non-helicopter blades on this one. Okay, so now, if I show this one, and push that flag there, it goes to the exact same spot where the other one was. Now this time, I'm going to program this to rotate. So I'm going to program it in a loop to turn. And we should have, whoop, sorry, not quite what I was after. Okay. I'm going to have to take that away. Now, should, okay, so it's going to the middle of the sprite. Now, the reason why it's doing that is because of the go-to helicopter. So to fix that, we go onto here and we change the costume to be centered there. Okay, now let's see if it works. Okay, it's not too bad. Now the only problem I think I can see with it is the helicopter costume doesn't look very good with the that thing there on it. So if we take that off, I think we are in business. All right, so now we have a helicopter that flies and it has a rotating propeller. Not my best work at all, but it does give you the idea. Now, if you look at the other one and compare them, you can see the animated one flies and the other one doesn't move at all. It's got no moving parts. So, animated versus an animated one. Now, you could make that there turn around if you made it another helicopter part. Okay, and that's it.